Guys, I'm going to create this video to show you how to create the rocket with the cylinder that we explained in the previous lesson and how to add the colors to the shape. So first of all, this is the cube, appears when you open Blender. I'm going to remove it. You can do pressing the X on the keyboard and then delete. If not, you can always right click and go to delete with you for the X with the shortcut next to it. So I press delete and then it's already gone. To add a cylinder, remember you can press on the keyboard Shift A or Shift A and then mesh and then cylinder. Click on add, mesh and then cylinder. By default has 32 faces. So I'm going to click, before do anything, I'm going to click on this icon, add cylinder, and change this to 12. Minimize this. I can zoom in and zoom out with the wheel on the mouse, or pressing the plus and then up and down with the left button of the mouse holding. So I'm going to change this and I'm going to go to edit mode in here or pressing tab on the keyboard, edit mode, and then on the three elements here, vertices, edges or faces, I'm going to click on faces. You can press 3 on the keyboard, select the first one, and then I'm going to extrude this region, which I'm going to press E on the keyboard and then take it to the top a little bit with the mouse and then click. And then I'm going to do again, I'm going to press extrude and then you can click and take it to the top. And then I'm going to escalate it. I think it's this one, I don't remember if I have, but I'm going to press S on the keyboard and then take it to the middle. I'm gonna happy with the result. I'm going to click on the mouse and that's ready. Okay, so I'm going to select again the selection tool so I don't extrude accidentally. Now I'm going to do the bottom part, so I'm going to hold the wheel down and then I can move it to see underneath. If I don't remember how to do this, I can go here and press and then to see underneath like that and release. I select this option here and then click on one, hold shift on the keyboard to do multiple selections. So I click on that one and then both are selected, this one here and this one here. So all four are now selected. Now instead of putting the mouse in here, I take it outside so it's easier to control it. Press S to escalate and move to outside. If I move inside, it's going down. If I move outside, it's going up. Something similar to this. Click, and again I can rotate this, and I can use the hand to see the whole element. So this is my rocket so far. So I'm going to add the colors now. So I'm going to click on this option so I can see the colors. And on the right hand side at the end, I've got materials properties. So I'm going to click on that, and at the moment I've got only one material. So I'm going to add with this plus option more elements. So I'm going to press, for example, here, and I put one more, click on new, I change the name, so I'm going to put blue, for example, and then I select in base color, I select the blue I would like to. Click here and now you've got the blue. I'm going to add also red, for example, so plus, new, click on here and change the name to red. Click on base color, choose the red, and there you go, the red. So now if I want to apply to this figure the different colors, I need to select the options. So I can select all if I want to, all in blue, for example, and then change something in different color. So let me press A to select everything, or I select everything, but if I do that, the faces at the back, you cannot select them. So if I want to do it like that, hold in and select everything, I need to go to the different view. So I select this option, and now I can select everything. If I now press blue and assign, all of this should be blue, and I can check it here with this option, everything in blue. So now I'm going to change some of the options to red. So I'm going to select this one, so face mode, this one, hold shift, this one, move around and hold shift, this one, select the ones I would like to have in red, this one, and this one. So I have these ones, select red, click on assign, and there you go, I've got my rocket. From, for example, the top one on red 2, select the red and click on assign. Come back to object mode, so I can click on here, in object mode, click outside to unselect, and there you go. You can change the color and select the colors that you would like to. Hopefully this video is good enough for you guys, and I'm going to create another video to create the chair. See you later.